Welcome. Let's provide answer to this question under WASSCE 2024 Nigerian edition. Question 29 of the objective text. For what values of x is x minus 3 divided by 4 plus x plus 1 divided by 8 greater or equals to 2? This is linear inequality that involves fraction. The first thing we do is to find the LCM and multiply each of the terms by that LCM. So here our LCM is going to be the multiples of 4 and 8 that can easily be used by both of them will be 8. So our LCM will be equals to 8. So if I multiply everything, it becomes 8 multiplying x minus 3 divided by 4, then plus 8 multiplying x plus 1 divided by 8 greater or equals to 8 multiplying what? 2. The multiplication is possible because we want to clear the fractions. So 4 will go into 8 2 times, and that 2 will multiply the x minus the 3. 8 will cancel 8, remaining x plus 1 greater or equals to 8 times 2. That will be 16. So fast forward, let's open this bracket by using the 2 to multiply each of the term. 2 times x, that will be 2x. 2 times 3 will be 6 plus x plus 1. Since we have nothing, just 1. Multiplying remain the same value. Alright, what do we do? Let's compute the left side and check what will happen. So I'll be grouping the like terms as in 2x plus x plus 6, let's say plus 1 first, then minus 6, greater or equals to 16. I am only regrouping them and I'm not transferring them from anywhere. So their sign remain the same. So 2x plus x, that will be 3x. 1 minus 6 will give us minus 5, greater or equals to 16. So at this point, we are going to add 5 to both sides to clear this very 5 from here. That will be 3x greater or equals to 16 plus what? 5. So if you find that arithmetic, you'll be having 21. But I guess we are looking for the x. So we divide by the coefficient. So we divide by what? 3, which is the coefficient, meaning 3x divided by 3 greater or equals to 21 divided by 3. Dividing all the side by 3 will make your x to be greater or equals to 7. So therefore, the values of x will be in the range x greater or equal to 7. So all numbers greater or equal to 7 become the values of x that will satisfy the left to be greater or equals to what? 2. I'm sure the concept is clear. The procedure from the beginning to the end is understood. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.